My Maytag Bravo's X dryer won't start. It has power, but when I press the start button it beeps and nothing happens. Any ideas? The model number is...
Hello, this is Dave. There is a broken belt switch and a thermal fuse that can cause this. Do you have a meter for testing and can you remove the front panel?
No, I don't have a meter at home with me now. I can probably get the front panel off. Where are the belt switch and thermal fuse located?
Okay. The easy part will be to see if the belt is broken. If it is okay, you can jumper the wires on the thermal fuse together to test if it is the problem. Do this with the plug pulled, of course, and it is only to test, and if it is the problem, replace before running a load of clothes. Here is a link to a picture of the fuse that you will see on the blower duct. Let me know what you find. http://www.searspartsdirect.com/maytag dryer part /3392519/0026/110/model medx 500xw1/3048/0151200.html.
Do you have a link on instructions on how to remove the front panel? I looked at a YouTube video, but it's a different model than the one I have. I see the screws behind the lint filter in the front, and I'm assuming I need to take the dryer door off.
You don't need to take off the door. Here is a video that should be like what you have. https://www.bing.com/videos/search. Q equals whirlpool plus dryer plus front plus panel plus removal and form equals vir 5 hash view equals detail and mid equals 15069485844D1FD2BC5E115069485844D1FD2BC5E1.
Okay, thanks. The front panel off. The belt is fine, but I don't see where the fuse is. See attached.
It is off to the left behind the silver lint filter area. If you can't reach it, you would need to pull out the lint filter and remove the cover. This video should help. http://www.youtube.com/watch V equals GCBOMNTVOW.
Okay, thanks for your help, you're amazing. Excellent.
Glad to help. Best wishes to you. Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.